Ever wondered why your stomach makes those weird noises when you're hungry? It's not just your stomach being dramatic. Those growling sounds actually come from your intestines, not your stomach. When you're hungry, your brain sends a signal telling your digestive system to start moving, even when there's no food inside. The muscles in your stomach and intestines start contracting, mixing air and leftover fluids. That movement creates vibration, and the result is the growling sound you hear. Scientists call this process borborygmi. It literally means rumbling. So next time your stomach growls in public, just remember, it's science, not embarrassment. Crazy, right? Follow Why Matter for more fun and fascinating facts.